Hi friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically answer incoming calls on your Android phone. If you want a faster and hands-free way to receive calls, this feature can be really helpful. First, go to the phone or call app menu. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls. Once you're inside the app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. The menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the Call Settings page. After that, scroll down until you find the option called Answering and Ending Calls or something similar, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to continue. Inside this section, you'll see different call options. Look for Automatically Answer Calls or Answer Automatically. Once you find it, simply turn the feature on. Some Android phones also give you the option to choose how quickly calls are answered automatically, such as after 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Pick the timing that works best for you. This is especially helpful when using a headset or while driving. Once enabled, your phone will automatically answer incoming calls based on the settings you selected. It's quick, simple, and can make everyday calling much easier. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.